try a few features on this camera. Don't you guys get mad if I bring this up right away, because I'm doing a test. We have a gimbal. We're actually working with a gimbal that is on this GoPro 9, and we're gonna go ahead and go inside. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna move my head as normal, and then I'm gonna put it up, let you guys look at it, and you tell me what you guys think. I'm not moving my head real slow or nothing like that. But we're gonna go inside, we're gonna get a burger. And if you guys don't know what a gimbal is, I'll tell you. It's supposed to move the camera easy, not like real quick, but like a gimbal, you know, real smooth, real easy, that kind of thing. And I'm moving my head like I would normally move it. I'm not moving it slow or anything like that. I'd rather do this than wait till I got a 40-minute video. Are you guys in line? No, oh, you okay? Okay. Didn't want to cut in front of nobody there, you know? No, you're fine. You're fine. I'll get behind you. Okay.
Monster, guard, Western video. Monster Western. Where? Monster, number 10 guard.
Because I was riding down, riding down, somebody got like fast. I got right next to the pier, right there by the top. Yeah, you go right down the middle of the right down the side with because if you wasn't there, that's how I feel.
How you doing, man? Can I get number 13, please?
Number 3?
13. That's the jumbo hot dog. I know it's kind of weird, but I like the chili and cheese. Huh?
The meal?
Yeah, please. But can I boost up my fries a bit?
Like the cheddar?
Yeah, that looks good.
Monster large. A 3-piece and a double cheeseburger.
Thank you, ma'am.
How you doing that?
What's your cost?
No cost.
Huh?
You got me on YouTube.
Yeah,
Oh, you do?
but that's okay, ain't it? We don't put no negativity. I was. All right, let's eat and we'll get out of here. All right, well, let's get ourselves on the road. Just testing this GoPro out. You guys tell me what you think. There is another video being made, so thank you for watching. Until the next time, later.